hot sunny day. It is 90 degrees here, and we're gonna just show you what we do. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here Fox River, and we are gonna grab a cold one while trying to get some hot action. Today we're gonna bring our topwater frog out here, Fox River. I'm gonna show you how to frog and what you need to know to frog. Let's go. First frog fish of the year. Let's do this. Woo. Yes, there we are. Beautiful Froggn bass. Here we are, guys. Fox River, chain of lakes. Beautiful Froggn bass here. We're at a free public boat launch on the black and blue, tried and true. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today. First Froggn bass of the year. That's all we needed. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Friday and every Friday and Tuesday with another geofishing exclusive. Peace.